Hey, it's Chris from Cricut. I'm going to show you how to cut a two-color vinyl sticker on Cricut Joy for your cell phone case. And the materials I have are a cell phone case, 2 colors of smart vinyl, some Cricut transfer tape cut to the size of a sticker that would fit on my cell phone case, a large scraper, my Cricut Joy, of course, and a computer loaded with design space. Let's get started. If you're like me, and most people getting started on Design Space, you probably cut a one-color, simple vinyl image as one of your first projects on Cricut. In this video, I want to show you how to step it up to a two-color image that's going to require transfer tape to apply to the back of a cell phone case. So let's get started in the upper right-hand corner by clicking New Project, and then move over to Images in the toolbar. Next, I'm going to click Image Sets on the left-hand side, and I'm looking for something abstract. So I'm going to search for abstract in the search bar at the top of the screen. I'm going to scroll down until I get to what I'm looking for. Okay, I like this line here. So I am thinking this one would look great on my cell phone case. So I'm going to go in the bottom right-hand corner and click Insert Images, and that's going to take it to my canvas. Now, since I have a cell phone case that's fairly small, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller just to make sure that we're going to fit it onto the cell phone case. I'm going to go down to about 2¼ inches in width. All right, that's set right, and now I'm going to click Make It in the top right-hand corner. And since we're using the Cricut Joy with smart materials, I'm going to click Without a Mat. A couple things I want to go through on this screen. First, it's telling you want to put at least 4 inches in of each cut. We've got 2 cuts here to make sure that we have enough material. And secondly, it's showing you to make sure you have the correct material load type selected. And just again to point out, there's 2 cuts. We're going to start with the geometric shape and then move on to the circle underneath it. So we'll go ahead and click Continue on the bottom. My computer's connecting to Cricut Joy, and now I'm going to select my material, which is Smart Vinyl Permanent. And now Cricut Joy is blinking, which is telling me to go ahead and load the geometric shape. And put that into the Cricut Joy. And we're going to get started on this cut. Okay, we're done with our first cut. I'm going to tap Unload, take the vinyl out, and now Cricut Joy is blinking and telling me to load the second piece of vinyl into the machine. This will be a quick cut. We're just cutting out the circle for the back of the sticker. I'm going to tap Go in the bottom right. Okay, that's that. We'll click Unload, and then Finish. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble this project. Okay, now we're going to put together our sticker. And the first thing we're going to do is what's called weeding, which is separating the sticker from the adhesive backing on the vinyl. And what I'll do to start with is cut. You can see my sticker is cut out there. I'm going to cut around it so that I can save some of this vinyl and use it for later. Okay. Now you can see that it's happening, and I am going to peel the vinyl off first and hopefully take some of the material that I don't want out. And that's really what weeding is about, is starting to help the design that you want to be on your as part of your sticker emerge from the vinyl. Okay, now we're going to start to take out pieces, which is really the weeding. But I just want to show you that I've enlarged the original image in Design Space on the canvas so that I can see kind of which pieces of this black geometric shape I'm taking out. This gives us kind of a guide as we're weeding. Here, and I'm going to start taking out pieces of vinyl from this design and just putting them aside as I go. You can see some people, have different techniques. I usually just try to grab a piece of a corner and lift it up and then peel it away. There it comes. And this may seem, difficult when you first start, but it actually is kind of mesmerizing once you get started. It can be quite engrossing as you get into it. And it's fun. It's kind of like mowing the lawn. You get a sense of achievement. Okay, we've finished weeding, and now we're going to get started with the transfer tape. Okay, now we're going to do the transfer tape part. So you can see I'll get a corner of this transfer tape, which is really two-sided tape that we're going to use to grab this geometric image and put it onto our cell phone case. See, I've got the backing off. I'm going to turn it over so the sticky side's down, and I'm going to place it right over my image. Okay, now I'm going to get my scraper, and this is called burnishing. And really make sure that your vinyl is going to stick to the transfer tape in a way that allows you to apply it to the surface of the cell phone case. I'm going to turn it over, do this burnishing on the back of the transfer tape a little bit. All right, now what I'm going to do is pull the transfer tape up, and hopefully the vinyl sticker will come with it. And you can see I'm kind of coming at an angle here. And if something doesn't come up, you can kind of press it down as you go. Come back here and burnish this again. So this is really maybe the most delicate part of the process, is making sure that you get everything up. There it's starting to come. See, it's coming there. But you just got to make sure. Okay. That was the hardest part, I promise. Now what we're going to do, remember that there's a circle as part of this project. This is very easy. We're going to actually just cut this out. Again, so we can save the vinyl later. And we'll take this out of the backing. This is the fun part, because you actually get to place the sticker on the cell phone case. You've done the hard work, I promise. Okay, so we got that off. And now we're going to get our cell phone case over here. And we're going to kind of center this on the cell phone case as much as we can. And that's pretty good. Now we're going to take our transfer tape and center this part of the sticker over the gold. Okay. I'm going to do a little burnishing again. Make sure our sticker sticks to the cell phone case. And again, we're going to kind of take it off at an angle here. Not so much pulling up, but pulling across, kind of at a 45-degree angle. And again, making sure that our design sticks onto the cell phone case. Pretty cool, huh? Not bad for a beginner. 'Cause I'm a beginner too. And that's it.